least we know how.
There you go. Nice. All right. Well, upon the inspection, we found, looking up where the Freon lines go into the house, they've gotten right alongside the edge of the Freon line that goes through the wall. They chewed the hole bigger so they could enter. So this is definitely their entry point. We're in the process of getting ready to exclude this area from them so they can't do that anymore. Interwoven into this and is packed in there, so when he tries to chew it, he's grabbing a hold of this and it's getting in his mouth, irritating the crap out of him. This way. A little bit. So it just makes it that much harder for these little guys to get around. See right here where the slit was cut to come around the condensate or the Freon line, I kind of stitched it shut with a couple pieces of wire. Pull it close so he can't pull it apart to get up in there.